This is a quick video to show you how to set up your MF Rectifier Mrk2 for the spar plating brush plating process. So to get started, make sure that you've placed your rectifier on a firm surface and that the on-off switch at the back of the rectifier is in the off position or in the 0 position. The next thing to do is to connect the mains socket to an earthed mains socket using the mains cable provided. Okay, switch on your rectifier at the back and then press and hold the 16 volt /5 amp button until it starts flashing. Next, set the maximum current or amps by turning the current dial clockwise until there is no further increase in the amps. The meter should read about 5 amps. Set the voltage using the volt dial to the voltage quoted on your bottle of Spar Plating's brush plating solution. This is about 3 to 5 volts. Now plug in your red lead and your black lead. When you're ready to start brush plating, press the output on button, which will change from white to green to show the brush plating circuit is powered. This button here will also stop flashing. When the plating sequence is complete, press the output on button again, which will change from green back to white to show the brush plating circuit is powered off. If you would like to read written instructions on how to do this, please navigate to our website at www.golden.co.uk.